Hi guys, it's me again. And please don't forget to like and share. And today we are going to show you how to use this penny machine at Lincoln Park Zoo here in Chicago. So we are just going to read the instructions. So there's 1 and 2 and 3 instructions. So the first one is that you have to pick whatever design you like. So I believe I choose the monkey. Actually, they're all monkeys, but I choose the 2 monkeys. And yeah, so the step 2 is that you can point it out. So there's an arrow, so you can point it out from the arrow. And step 2, actually, yeah, the step 1 is pick and point, and step 2 is that you can insert your money, and it costs you 2 quarters and 1 penny. And step 3 is that you just keep pressing. So just keep pressing. Yay, finally! So this is the finished product. So it's so cute. So it's so cute, guys. It just looks like that inside. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.